Ladies and gentlemen, the auction's on, and how much you want to pay? What I got here? 100. Hey, on 25. Let y'all bid 35. At $25 bill, somebody get $35 is off. At 25, boys, you are. At 25 bid, 35. At $25 bill, somebody get here. 45 bid, 55, 65. At the 35 bid, boys, y'all sort them out. Get 75, 500. We're fine. We're the $500, $500, $500. $475, we're the $500, $500, $75, we're the $500 now. How to get 25 on my 30, 25, 30. In 30, got 500, 35, 30. Hitting 41, 40, 30, 30, 31, 30. We're on 20, 30, hit 130, 40, hit 140, hit 130, 40, now 50, and 150, hit 5, 85, hit 125, 85, now $200, hitting $200 half, hit 185, hit 200, hit 200, now half, 200, now 275, and 275, now 3, that's over to 3, 3, half, that's over to 3, half of the line, now 3, that's over to 3, 4, that's a bid online. 135,000, who wants to be 150,000 on the property? Now 200, 175, 200, 225, and now 275, 275, 250 is bid, 275,000, at 425,000 bid for 35. At 435, we're on the phone. We'll get, yes, 435, 450,000, $145,000, and I have so 440,000. 35, hurry up. 7,000, somebody get 5 here, 75 here. Nelly, that's 25, somebody get down here. Now $8,000 is all. I've got 36,000 bid online. I'm looking for 38,000. At 36, somebody get $38,000 is all. Somebody get 36,000, somebody 18,000. 17,000, 18,000. 17,000, somebody $18,000 and a half. So, 17,500. How much we got on here? How much you got? I got 26,000 online, 28,000. 26,000, somebody get 28,000 here. 26,000, somebody get $20,000 is all. 9,000, somebody get 29,500. Make $29,000 somebody get 29,500. Haul in under everybody else. $29,000 somebody get 29,500. Yes, 29,500. Hell, 30,000. Somebody get $76,000 and a half. So, 7,500, 4,600 before I go. At 4,500, somebody get 4,600. I'm with Nelson at 45, $4,600 and I have. So, 4,500, 83 minutes, somebody get 4 down here, 8,300 somebody get 4 down here. Now 4, I see the 1, 2 in your eyes. 83, 84. And then somebody get 4,400. And 44, now 5, now 45. Somebody get 4,500, 45, somebody get 7,500, 65, 65, and then I'm gonna go 65, now 70, now 70, then I'm gonna go 71. 75, 650, now 700, now 700, 100. 1,100, now 1,150, sir. 1,150. Then we're going to go 1,150, I got 1,200.